빛이 드디어 보여 낯이 안개가 걷힌 듯 빛이 드디어 보여 마치 새 하늘처럼.
Hey guys, I'm Tahi. This is TV Korean to help you study Korean. Today's useful expression is this.
드디어 새 차를 사요.
우리가 드디어 샀네 새 차 말이야.
그러게 말이에요. 빛이 드디어 보여.
Today's lesson is about the difference between 드디어 and 결국. Both of them are adverbs. 드디어 can be translated in English to finally or at last. The synonym is 마침내. The difference is 드디어 brings out a positive result, but 마침내 can end with a positive or negative result. For example, broke up. The verb contains negative meaning, but if this combined with 드디어, finally, then the meaning is a positive. Finally broke up. 드디어 헤어졌어요, which is what I expected or wanted to happen. I'm released. Finally broke up. Yay! We can replace 드디어 to 마침내. 마침내 broke up. Finally broke up, which is what I expected and wanted to happen. 마침내 헤어졌어요. 드디어 헤어졌어요. Good result. But 드디어 is more commonly used. 드디어 헤어졌어요. 마침내 헤어졌어요. All good result.
빛이 드디어 보여.
네, 맛있게 드십시오.
군대리아를 드디어.
드디어 태어나게 됐어요.
드디어 퇴근이다. 집에 가서 빨리 맥주를 원샷하고.
마침내 헤어졌어요. 마침내 broke up. Finally, at last, we broke up, which is a bad news. If it's a bad news, we can replace 마침내 to 결국. 결국 means after all, in the end, the conclusion, 결국. Many things happened and we broke up in the end. That's the conclusion.
결국 내 얼굴은 다 번져버렸죠. 바보처럼.
Today we learned about 드디어 and 결국. We can replace 드디어 to 마침내. Also we can replace 결국 to 마침내. 드디어 is a good result. 드디어 헤어졌어요. Finally. We broke up. That's what I expected. 결국 헤어졌어요. We broke up in the end. That's the conclusion. Eventually, we broke up. 드디어, 결국 are more widely used.
몇 년이 지났을까 영원이란 건 없다. 결국 인연이 아닌 걸까 열심히 자가 되다.
아주 좋아요. Very good. If you enjoyed watching my video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 다음에 만나요. 안녕.
다음 주에 만나요. 제발.